Hej syrran! Grattis på födelsedagen!
Grattis Tracy! Grattis Tracy!
Grattis Tracy.
Grattis Tracy på 30-årsdagen.
Hoppas du får en bra födelsedag. Hej då.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, dear Tracy! Happy birthday to you! Thank you for everything you've taught me. I'm wishing you a wonderful birthday year. Mwah! Love you!
Hi Tracy. Well, Anna and Coralie and I are all kicking around New York City, and I'm realizing that some of the things that are amazing about this city are what are pretty awesome about you too. Vivacious and diverse and full of culture and musical and just really pretty awesome. So it's a lot of fun kicking around. Here's Anna.
Hey Tracy, of course you're a metropolitan, cosmopolitan kind of gal. We miss you here in the city, wish you were here.
So yep, just a shameless little selfie video to wish you a happy 30th birthday.
Coralie says hi.
Coralie even woke up to say hi. To your little shameless little baby off there.
It's
All
your
right.
first time on the subway train, you saw it here first.
All right. Have a happy birthday.
And Tracy, happy birthday, 30. The life journey is just beginning. Gets better with every year. Thanks for all your enthusiasm, your ideas you're making. The more I know you, the more you amaze me. Party on.
Wow. All right. Happy birthday, Tracy. That's what, yeah, super talented artist, maker, extraordinaire. Keep it up.
Why aren't you here now? Why aren't you here now?
Happy birthday, Tracy. Happy birthday, Tracy.
Tracy! Happy birthday! So you're turning 30. That's kind of a big deal. I am happy about it. The 20s for me were long and difficult and strenuous, and I get to figure everything out. Hi Tracy! Happy birthday. I am... Fuck!
I don't want to erase that.
Tracy! Happy birthday! I want to wish you a very happy birthday. You are turning 30 tomorrow, and that is fantastic. 30s are an amazing decade. They've been very good and fun and easy for me, and I wish that they would be the same for you. The 20s are crazy and tumultuous, and you're trying to figure out who you are, what you want to do with your life, the whys, the hows, the whos, and they're messy and difficult, and they just take so much out of you. But you're done with that now. There's no more of none of that shit coming your way, hopefully. So I wish that the 30s, which you will be starting tomorrow, are gonna be a smooth sailing straight from day one. So hopefully you will be... Happy birthday. You have no idea how many times I've said that now. This is probably like take 5 on this video that I'm trying to put together for you. Anyhow, happy birthday. You're turning 30 tomorrow, and I think that is fantastic. It's a great year. You have ahead of you probably the best 10 years of your life. I am quite old now, almost 35, and the 30s have been great. Easy, mellow, smooth sailing, no problems, and I wish the same to you. The 20s are crazy, tumultuous. You have to figure out everything. They're so difficult. But those days are over. Now ahead of you is just everything that you have sown. Yes? Yes! So I hope your harvest will be... Fuck! What's the word? Bountiful! Okay, delete. Tracy, happy birthday. I wish you... No, forget it. Tracy, happy birthday. I am here to wish you an amazing year ahead of you. I hope that your 30s... Okay. Yes, I want to wish you happy birthday. I hope that your day tomorrow is going to be fantastic. I hope that your year is going to be great, just amazing, full of excitement and adventures and knowledge and wisdom, because now you're entering your 30s. So forget the 20s and all the heartbreak and the confusion, the work of figuring out who you are, what you want, blah, 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 blah. That's over. I mean, it still goes on every once in a while. You always have to do that sort of self-discovery, but it's not as strenuous as it is in your 20s. There's not as nearly as much pressure. The 30s are all about embracing the awesomeness and ripping the... What were we talking about earlier? A bountiful harvest? Yes! A bountiful harvest. And that's what I wish for you this year and all of the year of your 30s. Bountiful harvests. Okay, everyone.
Happy birthday, Tracy! I hope for you the most wonderful influx of honey smooth love to carry you through this year and into the beyond. Love you! Alright.
Happy birthday, Tracy. I know I haven't seen enough of you lately. Happy birthday, Tracy. No matter what you do, I know you'll do it greatly. Did you ride your bike to the thrift store and do some shopping? Or did you make a print or knit a hat while drinking coffee? Happy birthday, Tracy. I know I haven't seen enough of you lately. Happy birthday, Tracy. No matter what you do, I know you'll do it greatly. Happy birthday, Tracy.
What are you gonna do?
I'm just gonna start doing the thug life. Go.
Go.
Oh.